here's a big reason why your product page may not be converting. It's your site load speed. Your site load speed, you can check on Shopify. Other things you can do is go to, I think it's Google Site Load Speed Tester. Just type in on Google Site Load Speed Checker, and then you can see your site's speed score to see how fast it loads. And then Google will give you recommendations like, oh, decrease your image size, or maybe have less words on your page, or etc. And by doing that, the biggest thing is the faster your thing, or the faster your page loads, then the more people there'll be that see your offer, because most people will click off if a product page takes like more than 3 seconds to load. That's some number like that. But so do you see how much better your product page can convert if you make your load speed faster? That may seem like it may not seem like the most important thing to do, but just by doing that, just by increasing or decreasing your site load speed time by even like a fraction of a second, that can make a huge impact on your store. And if you implement the tips that I've said in like my last video, like add scarcity and urgency to your product page, you guys can check out that video. I'll link it to you guys in the description. But by adding different things like that and improving your offer and improving your site load speed, that can drastically change the results that you're getting. And so some ways to decrease your site load speed are decrease the image size. So go to tinypng.com and basically you put in all of your images into that image decreaser, and then it will decrease the size dramatically of your images, because most of the time images take so long to load. And if you have a lazy load feature, like if you use Pagefly on Shopify, it's a free page builder, absolutely incredible. They have an option where you can build that's built in to where you can lazy load your images. And what that means is simply, as someone loads your product page, the images below the fold, or in other words, the images that are still further down on the page that people haven't seen yet, those images will be able to load while your customer is still at the top of the page. Whereas most other times, if lazy load is off, then it'll try and load all of the images before your product page shows. And as a result, your site load speed is very high and it takes so long for it to load. Like, those websites that take like forever, like over 10 seconds to load, and you just click off. It's just not working, even though your Wi-Fi is good. That's the reason why. So if you have the ability to turn on lazy load, then do it, because that can drastically improve your site speed. And another thing you can do is you can have less images too. That can help. And having a more minimalistic landing page, you don't need like 20 different sections on your landing page. You don't need it like infinitely long. Like cut out the crap. If there's anything that you think shouldn't be in there or that could be removed, then remove it, because for the sake of site load time, that's very important. Another thing is you can custom code your product page to be more efficient, because most of the time, like through Shopify and ClickFunnels, some of these website platforms, they're liquid files, or they're liquid code files. Some of the code is just redundant, and so it causes your site to load slower. But that's more of an advanced tip, so you could hire somebody to do that, or if you know yourself, if you're knowledgeable enough, you can do that yourself if you're comfortable coding. But definitely the images, decreasing the image size by putting it through tinypng, that will drastically make a big difference. And also cutting out any fluff in your landing page, anything that you think really isn't helping, or anything that shouldn't be on your landing page, then just remove it, because that's taking up valuable real estate on your site, and also it's just causing the load time to be excessive. So I hope this video finds you well, guys. Let me know down below if this helped you. Make sure to subscribe for more ecom videos just like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care, y'all.